He's a whopper. He's a big. Come over here where I can see you. What do you think about the kitty cat?
What do you think?
Gonna check him over real good.
Oh, good boy.
The kitty doesn't seem to be afraid of him at all, which is unusual.
You found your friend? Huh? It's just like, whatever, I just want to slobber all over it. No. You can't do that. Easy.
Oh, what did he do?
He like
Tried to
put
get
his
it back.
mouth on her.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's, I don't know. Probably not by himself. He's wagging his
And
tail.
he's not got the drive like he just wants to attack him.
He just wanted to put it in his mouth. You see the kitty?
He's wagging his tail. What do you think, big boy?
You see the kitty?
It looks like a chew toy.
So I just want to play with it. You see it? You just want to play with it? No. Easy. No.
No.
No. Gotta be easy. That one's not. That's not good.
Okay.